Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make flowchart, how you can create flowchart in mobile devices. So this is business flowchart in mobile. So if you got tasks from your office to create a flowchart while you are outside, so just simply create flowchart by install this app from the Play Store. Just simply tap search a flowchart. So there are some application that can you try. For example, the first one, 1 million user flow diagram slide. Here you can create a diagrams or flowchart. Simply just install this app. So it's compatible Chromebook, tablet, and phone. And also there is a lucid chart. So this is the simply you can create your full you can import document from other apps or export to PDF. And here we go, this is the simple flowchart. So here from this app, a simple flowchart by Yuki Tanaike. So you can create sample inquiry flow. Please specify the point you want to change in the flowchart diagram. Here this is flow start, for example, and then here you can add an item. I want to add an item blah blah blah, and this is bulk add item. You can simply edit from this prompt, or just you can create new file. You want to create from the scratch. Here for example, if you want to add item to the flowchart, this is the item bag that I write before, and so on. So you have to learn about this simple flowchart. And also there are a paid app like flow diagrams, and this is the flow diagram Lite. So please choose what a application that suit you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.